It's a beautiful day here in Cheney, Washington. Got my little helper out today. There he is. So, sorry about the glare, but thought we'd make a video. We didn't ever really finish the radiator one. We just hauled some wood in this thing, but found out very fast that the lights don't work. So we're gonna pull these suckers off probably and get those checked out. Yeah, and then some drunken idiots broke this last night. Broke that thing clean off. So probably doing some repairs on it now. But all in all, it's still together. That's the update on the black truck. Update on the red truck is nothing new. We got same old flatbed pickup. I guess one new thing is the brush guard. That's not even finished yet, but yep. Haven't got new wheels yet or tires. But so I got the mirrors ripped off. So the factory mirrors had these two holes. Then there's a third. There's three more. There's one more. There's a bunch here. Like some more down there. There's some up here of mirrors. So we're just gonna put really nice 1-ton mirrors on it, hopefully. And that will fix the problem. We're kind of running solo today, but we got the mirrors on. We got a flag up there. Got both of the mirrors on, and I haven't really messed with that just yet to put it on there, but I just want everybody to look at this thing and appreciate it. She looks good. Dad said pick up the beer can. Pick up the beer can, I'm gonna put it in this truck. Oh, yeah. So, we're gonna start this thing up. See the gate. Woo! Earlier when I went to go start her, she did not want to idle, so I don't know. But I will put the video after this little video of last night. We were so not drunk. I was not. DJ and his buddy Flick were so drunk, and they jumped on the front of this thing. Oh, it was crazy.
Is that mirror still connected over there?
Okay. Fuck yeah, bud!
Yeah!
Oh shit. with it. Uh-oh. She died. So we got the truck in the shop. Feels like we're like super dark in here. But we're gonna paint everything kind of primer on the inside because right now everything is primer. Like the dash, the roof, that door. This door is oddly yellow. Everything is primer. So we figured our inside color is gonna be primer on this or the red truck. So I'll see you next time. Stay tuned. Like, comment, and subscribe. Peace.